Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we're going to continue to talk about heated seats and how cool they are. Heated seats are really cool because they heat the seat up. It's really cool. I'm going to turn the car on to show you. Let me show you. I don't know if you can see it or not. See that? Now they're both heating. Isn't that cool? So when the car's on, you push the buttons. That's how they heat up. And that's how you get warm seats. This has been another Matthumanpizza video. Have a great day. Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you where the heated seats are right here. This button right here. So that means heated seats. Left for L, R for right. So push that one in, and when your car's on, now your seat will be heated, and you will like that. And to deactivate it, just press like that. And if you want your driver's side seat heated, press that and it'll start to heat up. That's how you do that. That's your heated seats. I like jeans that are ripped, but they also have underneath jean like sewed in the cloth right here. I like that. Those are your seat heaters. Heats the driver's seat, heats the front passenger seat. The indicator light is on while the seat heater is operating. Push the switch once again to turn off the seat heater. Seat heaters can be used when vehicle without smart key system. The engine switches in the on position. Burns. Be careful. There you go. You've just watched a video on how to find your heated seats button on your Toyota RAV4. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching it. Making the video was very fun and entertaining. There is a left heated seat and a right heated seat. The left is the driver's side heated seat, and it heats the seat that you sit on. And the right heated seat button heats the right seat, which is the passenger seat, and so it heats the seat up and it gets really warm. And I hope you enjoyed watching and hearing me talk about this video. But anyway, it's really cool and amazing that you've made it this far into the video, and I am glad that you are watching this and you have discovered maybe for the first time where the button is on your Toyota RAV4, the 2010. That is amazing that you have found it. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. If it didn't, give it a thumbs down. But anyway, the buttons are down there, and you press the button in and it's on, and there may be a light that lights up that lets you know that it's on. There may not be. And in the bottom is the right. There's two buttons, so they're really neat it's neat how they engineered that. And it's a reliable car. So all right. Okay, I'm going to talk some more about heated seats. Me personally, I never use the heated seats because you turn the heat on in the vehicle and it warms up, and I don't need my bottom part of me to be warm. And the seats, I mean, it's leather. I mean, so the seats are They don't get that cold. I mean, it's kind of ridiculous if you ask me. The heated seats, it's just another selling point, and just it's junk. I mean, it works. It's pretty good. I mean, it's heated seats, but other than that, um, yeah. So that's all there is about that. What can I say about heated seats? Not much really, other than the fact that the seats heat up, they get warmer, and if it's a cold day and you're outside, you get into a car and you hit that heated seat button, the seats get warmer, and it probably feels better. Probably feels better on your buttocks getting warm, and it just keeps you warm. The heated seats on the RAV4 it's a thumbs up. It's a good thing. I don't use it. I mean, why bother? I mean, it's cold. You turn the heat blows in your face, or usually if it's cold and freezing, you have the heat blowing on the defrost mode, so it's defrosting the window, and because they're frozen and icy, and you want to get that thawed so you can see and be able to scrape the ice off if you have to. So a heated seat is pretty unnecessary, but that's just my opinion. You might be all about the heated seats, So that's that, you know what I'm saying? Unbelievable. I hope you enjoyed these Mad Human Pizza videos. They're very fun to make. And I like that people thumb them down and thumb them up. It's great. It's a good thing, It's a really good thing. Thumbs up.